Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. 8 March 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 departed Kuala Lumpur on a routine flight to Beijing. Nothing seemed unusual as the passengers settled in for the night. 239 people were on board, including passengers and crew. Families waved goodbye, unaware that this flight would vanish without a trace. The plane climbed smoothly into the night sky. Air traffic control maintained contact as usual, tracking the aircraft's course. But somehow, over the South China Sea, the plane suddenly disappeared from radar. No distress signals, no warning. Air traffic controllers were confused. One moment the flight was there, the next it was gone. Questions began immediately. How could a modern plane vanish like that? Satellite data later suggested that the plane turned west. Heading deep into the Indian Ocean, the world watched in disbelief. Search teams were deployed across hundreds of thousands of square miles of ocean. Planes, ships, and satellites combed the waters for any sign. Debris reports trickled in months later. Some small fragments washed ashore, but nothing revealed the full story. Families of passengers were left in agony, hoping for answers that never came. Every theory sparked debate, but no conclusive proof emerged. Speculation ran wild. Some believed a mechanical failure, others suspected a hijacking. Each theory fueled international headlines. Yet, despite massive investigations, no confirmed cause was ever released. The plane's final movements remains a mystery. The Indian Ocean became a graveyard for unanswered questions. Search terms mapped vast areas, but most of the ocean remained untouched. Satellite pings suggested that the plane flew for several hours after disappearing. In radar, its route baffled experts. In 2015, debris from the aircraft was found on the shores of Reunion Island. Still, the findings only deepened the questions. No flight recorders were recovered. The black boxes, the keys to understanding what happened, remain lost somewhere in the deep ocean. Theories continued to emerge: pilot suicide, extreme weather, or secret military intervention. Each claim was unproven. The world was captivated. Documentaries, articles, and online forums analyzed every tiny detail, yet the truth remained elusive. Families visited memorials and tributes, holding on to the memories of the loved ones, living with uncertainty. Some experts suggested that the plane could be lying at the bottom of the ocean in a deep trench, inaccessible even to modern technology. Others wondered if it had somehow been deliberately hidden, though no evidence supported such a claim. The mystery captured imaginations worldwide. Every disappearance on record seemed small compared to the enigma of MH370. Theories abounded online. Conspiracy forums debated endlessly, but none could answer the ultimate question: what really happened? As years passed, the ocean reclaimed its secrets. Every new search brought hope, then disappointment. The plane became a symbol of the unknown, how even modern technology can fail to solve the greatest mysteries. Documentary filmmakers and writers continue to explore this story, yet the full truth is as deep as the ocean itself. The case remains officially unsolved, a puzzle that confounds scientists, pilots, and investigators. Every map, satellite ping, and piece of debris raises more questions than answers. The flight path, the decisions, the final moments, they are all shrouded in mystery. For many, the story of flight MH370 is a haunting reminder of how fragile life and technology can be. The disappearance remains one of the greatest aviation mysteries of all the time, leaving millions wondering what truly happened that night. Some mysteries may never be solved. Flight MH370 drifts forever in the minds of the world, a silent enigma over the endless Indian Ocean. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.